Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Libras. If you want more clarity, Libras, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards first, guys, Libras. So we have Seven of Stars, Seven of Spheres, and Moon in reverse. So in your situation, guys, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship. So today you are seeing things differently, guys. You have clarity in your mind. You know what works well for you. So you have clear thought guiding you. So for some of you, you may have a great intuition helping you in your circumstances, pointing you out towards the right things for you today. And you are someone who's really skilled, talented, working hard, maybe, guys, and you are moving towards a greater prosperity and success. And you you have clarity today, guys. Maybe you are giving up all those things which were holding you back. Maybe it may be a physical thing that you are doing, clearing of the clutter, or it may be the emotional clutter. You are giving up all that past hurt, worries, whatever you had, and you are cleansing yourself, detoxing yourself emotionally, and you are moving towards clarity, greater clarity, and you see things from a different perspective today, guys. Libras, you know what you need or what will work well for you. So in your work situation or in your relationship, you have that clear head guiding you, helping you out in whatever needs to be done, guys. And you have hope and aspirations for your future. You are planning your future and you are moving positively towards that future. It may not just be a plan, you are stepping into that future. And maybe for some of you, you may see certain things, maybe in your heart of hearts, some kind of negative thought or emotions, or maybe there are some fluctuations. Maybe there sometimes you may feel good, but sometimes not so good, not so inspired or positive, but you are trying to overcome. You know what you need to do today, guys. If you go on thinking in a negative way, it is not going to help you out in any way. So you are trying to change the way you are, maybe for this love, for this person you love, or just for yourself. You don't want to continue just like that, go on again and again with the same kind of stress or worries or brooding over the past. So you want to change everything, and there are extraordinary things happening today in your situation, giving you greater freedom and giving you that emotional detox, whatever you need in your situation, guys, Libras. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, and that is the reading for you all today, Libras. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Libras. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can close your eyes, think about your situation, Then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside, so we will see what it is later. Now for this first card, for those who chose this card, it is regeneration. So in your situation, guys, in your life today, our practical living, our life is based on connections and relationship. So no matter what has happened in the past, maybe there has been some kind of ending in your life, some separation or something, some inevitable circumstance has taken you away from this person or taken them away from you. But you need not worry, guys, because there is love after any loss that you have faced, and right now you are in that regeneration, a time for a rebirth in your life today. So you are getting second chances, more authentic, more stronger than what you had before. So you will be able to build a better relationship with someone you love, and destiny is waiting to be fulfilled in wonderful ways for you right now, guys. And you are feeling overwhelmed with love or positive energy, so you have that positive energy surging up in you, waiting to connect with another person. So you need to understand that you are moving towards new opportunities or second chances, a time for a rebirth and new opportunities that are available to you right now in your love situation, or it may be even a situation in your career, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have taboos. So with this card, guys, for y'all in your circumstances today, you have met with a person. Maybe this may be someone new. You do not have a deep knowledge about this person, but this person is not what they seem to be, guys. They are hiding something, and they have some hidden motives or hidden past, something that could be dangerous to you and this connection. And if you are feeling curious to know more about this person, you should try to know more about them, find out more about them, guys. And if you have friends who are suggesting you certain things about this person, maybe whatever they heard, you should listen to them. You should not avoid what people who are your soul family, who are really close, who have that truthful concern on you, whatever they are telling you today or trying to tell you today, you should listen to it, guys, because it might take you towards truth. And in your situation, they may have a better clarity or better perception of what is going on, and they are here to help you and protect you. So you need to listen to them. So if you do not have that clarity or trust with this person whom you have met just now, whom you have known only for some time now, you have to be really careful, guys. That is the energy with this card. So you need to trust the people whom you can trust, on whom you have that or who have that total you have that total confidence. So you need to trust those people So listen to the family which loves you, and they will be able to see what you cannot see. Maybe you are up close and personal with this person, and your perception will be different from their perception. So you need to listen to the people who love you, guys. And maybe if you do not know this person deeply, you have to be careful with this person, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.